Welcome to another week of Social Distancing from Mr. Z. My name is Nathan Ziegler, and I'm the upper school principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis. You're probably thinking, looks like you got a haircut. I actually got a lot of them cut, and I've been waiting a long time to say that joke too. It's one of the nice things about having a wife who can cut hair is that I can still get my hair cut during the stay-at-home order. I need to make a correction from our last episode. Mr. Quiggle, one of our middle school science teachers, pointed out that I had the baking soda and vinegar chemical formulas flipped around. He said it's just like the cup that he got at the Outback Bowl where they flipped around the conferences that the teams were on his cup. We're going to mix it up this week. Instead of doing science experiments and magic tricks every day, we're going to start a couple of new segments on the show. So when this was first starting, my son wanted to do a virtual birthday wish to one of his friends by doing some trick shots. All right, it's recording. It only took one shot. After that, they thought it'd be fun to try some more during spring break, so this is what my son and daughter did last week during spring break. All right, you ready?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes! Alright. Yes! Let's go! Let's go. We got it. Oh my gosh, we got it.
And if you want to use a trick shot, maybe I'll use it in the show. It's Monday, so we're gonna do some Monday memes. When there's no more masks and people think you're horsing around during this pandemic. Now that spring break is over and you're back to online classes again this week, I thought it'd be fun to throw in a couple of teacher memes this time. Toilet paper shortage might be due to the fact that teachers can now use the bathroom whenever they want. That was a little late. When your whiteboard is at school. Teacher, being a streamer or a YouTuber isn't a real job. Teachers, or Mr. Z now. Friday's riddle was, I have cities but no houses. I have mountains but no trees. I have water but no fish. What am I? The answer is a map. Today's riddle is, before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? And your word of encouragement from today is something that I was reading during my time with God last week in the morning, and it's Ephesians 4:32. It says, be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you. As this stay-at-home order continues, it's going to be really tempting to get on each other's nerves and to lash out at each other, and this is something that I will need to be working on as well. And the thing that we need to remember is that, like this verse is saying, that we need to be kind and compassionate to each other, forgiving one another, just as Christ forgave us. If that's not the basis for our forgiveness, then it's going to be very surface level and shallow, and so we need to remember that Christ has forgiven us so that we can forgive others. Have a wonderful day. It's good to be back.